10, and when I tap the table is when we're going to say the number. So I'll demonstrate for you. 10, 20. You guys got it? Okay, let's do it together. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Ooh, that was kind of tricky. All right, we're gonna start again, and we're gonna see if we can make it all the way up to 120 without stopping. Let's start at 10. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Oh my goodness. Great job, friends. And I have a whole bunch of tens frames here. So I want you to take a look at them, and I want you to think about some things you see. What do you notice? All right, I'm going to have you two talk to each other and you three talk to each other and tell what you notice about these tens frames. What's something you notice?
One dot.
Wait, what did you notice about that one? Yeah.
There's 10.
There's 10. Do you guys agree that there's 10 on this?
One,
Do you
two,
see
three,
any
4, 5, 6, 7,
other
8, 9, 10.
frames that have 10 on them?
There's
Oh, you guys are able to point them out really
There's
quickly. What do you notice about this one? Is this one 10?
No.
No. What's
If
this
it
one?
was 6. If it was 10, it would be full.
It would be full. So we want to sort it into ones that show 10 and ones that don't show 10. Do
Okay.
you think you guys can do that?
Yes.
All right, grab the ones that show 10 and let's put them into a pile. So we have a pile that shows 10, right? And then we have all these other ones that show different numbers. All right, without touching the cards, because I want everybody to be able to think, how could we put these cards in order? Okay, turn and talk to your partners. How would you put these cards in order? Is that how you would do it too? Okay. Oh, okay. All right. So what would we start with?
1.
I have a question for you. But again, I'd like you to think about the question. And don't shout it out so everybody gets a chance to think. If I was going to use some of these cards and these cards, how would I make the number 24? All right, turn and tell your neighbor what you think. How would I make the number 24? I want to hear. There's only 10 squares, so can we show 24 on just one tens frame?
No.
But wait, what'd you say if we had?
Add all the 10s.
Okay, we have a 10 here.
10 plus 10, 20.
Oh, well, 10 plus 10 is 20. So does this show 20?
Yes. Yes.
Would you agree it shows 20? Okay, so then how much do we need to get to 24?
24.
Oh, look at that. Do you guys agree that this makes 24?
Yes.
Oh, very cool. Okay, let's take a look at 24. This is one way I could count 24. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, now I have a question. Again, I want you to think before you say anything. What would happen if I added another tens frame to this? Okay, tell your partner what you think the new number would be and why you think that.
It's going to be.
We have some friends who think it might be 25. And some friends who might think it might be 34. So let's count by tens and ones. Okay, so we can figure out if we added one more group of 10, how much would that be? You ready? 10, 20, 30, 31,
32, 33, 34. We were right.
Look at All right, we're gonna stick with this number 14, okay? And I'm gonna ask you to make the number 14 with your cubes. Can you tell me what you did? Tell it out loud for everybody to hear.
First, I used one of the 10 blocks and kept it together, and then I took 4, and if I put it beside, it will be 14.
Oh, so look at this card. My friend did exactly what's on this card. She did a 10 rod or 10 stick, right? And 4 more. Okay. What is going to happen if I take 10 away from 14? What am I going to get if I take 10 away from 13?
Oh, I know.
Turn and whisper to your neighbor. What do you get?
It's 4.
Can you show me what you did to take away 10?
So what I did is I just only took 10 away, and I had 4 because it was 14. So what I did was I took away the 10 and it turned into 4.
I love that. She knew that this was 10, so she just took that one away, and she knew it was 4.
Yes.
Awesome. What if we then take 4 away? What will we be left with? Great job. So how much do you have left?
10.
So if we have the number 14, 14 is made up of 1 10 and 4 ones. When we had 14 minus 10, what did we end up with?
10.
If we had 14 minus 10, what did we end up with?
4.
4. And if we had 14 minus 4, what did we end up with?
10.
10. That's right. Okay, we are going to work on a practice page where we're going to be working with our 10s and 1s. So go ahead and put your name on this page.